I sell PLR digital products that make me $1,000, $4,000, and even $15,000 every single day, week, and month. So if you're selling PLR digital products, they should be making you income. So if you're not making any money, why? In this video, I'm going to break it down why you're not getting any sales with your PLR digital products into 3 key elements. Just because you purchase a PLR digital product, you have to make sure that it's gonna make you money, and you need to know these 3 things. The same 3 things that I teach this person, and this person that are making passive income with their PLR digital products every single month. So let's dive in. The 3 things you need to have in order before you start promoting and selling your digital product is a quality check, meaning is the content well written, informative, and engaging. I'm going to show you an example of what a good PLR digital product looks like in this video. Second, you got to do a competition check. I'm going to show you my #1 tool I use that helps me find out whether or not this product is going to sell even before I start promoting it, and sometimes even before I even purchase it. And third, you must do a potential market check. Doing this check is going to show you whether or not people are ready to buy this product, and not just any people, the right people who are actually looking for it. So by the end of this video, you should know for sure what you're doing wrong that's not generating sales with your PLR digital product, and how you can fix it so that you can start making money immediately with your PLR digital products. So let's dive right into it. Now on your screen right now is a real life PLR digital product that I sell. It's called Amazon FBA Success. It teaches people how to start and launch a successful Amazon FBA business. Now when you're doing a quality check for your PLR digital product, there are 3 things you want to check and make sure it has. And the first is the actual content. Is it well written? Is it engaging? And is it very informative and helps people with whatever they're trying to learn? As you can see here, this particular PLR digital product has a table of contents. If you're selling something like an ebook, you want to make sure you have that in place so that the people can refer back or skip through or find things faster when they're reading and learning from your digital product. Also, you want to make sure that your PLR digital product is engaging. So you can include simple things like links, and in some cases, depending on what type of PLR digital product you're having, you can actually insert videos into your PLR digital product, and it's going to keep the readers awake so they're not getting bored. The second thing you want to make sure that your PLR digital product has is a good format. So if you look at this, the title is nice and big above. There's space between text to give everything room to breathe. There are beautiful high quality and high definition images within the PLR digital product, but you can see it's spaced out and real simple. It's not all close together with big words and all this janky stuff all in the way. When you're formatting, rebranding, or making minor changes to your PLR digital product, you only want to change, add, or take away the things that are actually needed or not needed. It doesn't have to be 65 pages. If all of the stuff can be inside a 5 to 7 to 10 page ebook, shoot for that amount. And the third thing that you want to make sure that it's niche down. The more niche down your digital product or your PLR digital product is, the higher the potential you're going to make the sale. If you're trying to sell to everybody, you're not going to make any money and sell to nobody. So in this case, it's Amazon FBA. It's very specific. Anybody and everybody who's trying to make money with Amazon, and more specifically FBA, is going to be interested in this digital product. They know when they purchase this PLR digital product, it's going to teach them how to start and launch a successful Amazon FBA business, and that's it. If you want to make money with your PLR digital products, you got to niche down. So if you're selling an ebook or something called How to Make Money Online, that's too broad. There's a lot of ways you can make money online. You want to niche down to something more specific so that you can target that audience and increase your earning potential. So instead of saying something like how to earn money online or how to make money online, say how to make money with PLR digital products as a beginner, how to make money with PLR digital products selling on YouTube, something like that that has a little bit more clarity on what the person can expect when they make their purchase. Now, once you've done your quality check and everything checks out, no pun intended, the next thing you want to do is a competition check. Now, when you're rebranding your PLR digital product, you want to do a keyword research check to make sure that you're adding keywords so that your products can pop up on the internet when people are searching for it online. And this could be through Google, Facebook, or even things like YouTube and TikTok. But if you're not including these keywords into your title and or subtitle, people aren't going to be able to find you. And if they can't find your product, they won't be able to purchase it. And again, this goes back to niching down, knowing who your audience is. Most of that information will give you an idea of what keywords to use, but I'm going to actually show you a tool as well. Now, this is a free keyword tool I use from a company called WordStream, and I'll make sure I leave the link down below this video. And you basically want to use this keyword tool to find out how competitive your keywords are. So when you're first starting out with digital products and you're trying to pick keywords you can add into the product or the title or the subtitle, if you're making them too broad, or if you're using keywords that are highly competitive, you're going to decrease the odds of you being discovered on the internet because your competition is too high. Think in terms of big brands or big businesses or big companies that are doing the same thing with more money and big budgets and a whole team to promote. You can't compete with them and their keywords, so you have to find low or mid competition keywords so that you have a better chance of being seen. But when you're starting out, just put in the basic overall keyword or the main keyword or the niche. For this example, I use Amazon FBA, and you just put in get my keywords. After that, it's going to ask you to refine your search so you can choose your industry for business, and then of course your state or country wherever you live. Next, it's going to bring you to a page like this, and you're basically looking for low and medium competition keywords, and you can see that all the way over here to the left, the competition. So this is going to give you some ideas of some alternative keywords you could use besides something like Amazon FBA if it's too big. For this example, Amazon FBA is medium, so we could actually use that. But if you wanted to try something else, there's Fulfillment by Amazon, which is lower, Amazon Fulfilled by Amazon, which is low, Amazon FBA for beginners, which is medium. So we're looking for stuff like that we can add into our title and even in our content, so we have a better chance of being seen as people are searching on the internet. So if we were to copy this keyword right here and then paste it into Google and hit search, after we get past all of the ads right here, you'll start seeing the smart businesses that are using this keyword that are trying to outrate their competition on Google by using these medium competitive keywords. Also, if you pay attention down here, you'll see even your PDF could pop up. So if you name that PLR digital product with those keywords, you could potentially pop up in the search just like that. And then here are other ideas right here. How does Amazon FBA work? Want to sell on Amazon FBA for beginners? These are also ideas that you can use that people are actually searching for. Which brings me to the second thing you want to check when you're doing your competition check. Are people actually searching for this keyword? So just because it says low competition or medium competition, you want to come back to Google and actually see if people are actually searching for this. And all you have to do is a simple Google search and you'll see it all right here. And also, if you scroll back up to the top, you'll see it right here. People also ask. So you see when you put in this keyword at the top, Amazon FBA for beginners, it's telling you right here, people are also asking for how much does it cost to start FBA on Amazon. This could be something that you can incorporate in the ebook itself or the title. But the main thing you want to take away is, are people searching for this product based off this keyword I'm using? Now, before I move into the last thing you want to check to make sure you have a profitable digital product, and also to find out if you already have one, why it's not selling, I want you guys to help me out with something. If you're selling PLR digital products and you haven't made sales, or you're having trouble finding a profitable digital product, let me know down in the comments. Comment no sales or can't find a digital product down in the comments below, and I'm going to reply back. And it's also going to help me understand what type of videos I should put out to help you guys the best way I can. Now, the last thing you want to check after you've done your quality check, you've checked for your competition, you want to do a potential market check. And doing a potential market check is going to show you how big is the potential market for your product. For example, if you're trying to teach people how to sell marbles or create marbles, there may not be a lot of people searching for that in this day and age. And if the industry or the niche that you're choosing doesn't have a large market or high demand, you're going to have to be okay with not making a ton of sales and not getting a ton of views if you're putting out content, because there just aren't that many people in the world that are interested in that topic or that niche. But if you're unsure whether or not your niche is a big market, market, here's how you can find out. Going back to WordStream, all you have to do is come down to the first section and look up under search volume, like so, and it's going to tell you how many people are searching for that particular keyword or your product each and every single month. So the higher the number, of course, there's a lot of people and there's a big market, and it's worth putting your time and energy into in hopes of reaping back a profit. But the lower that number, the less likely and harder it's going to be for you to make any money at all. Now, the thing is, even though the search volume may not be high for that particular keyword, especially if you're coming here looking for keywords that are medium, you still want to find keywords that are medium or low, but still have a high search volume. You want to make sure that you're not getting high competition, or if you're getting medium competitive keywords, that they're not up high into the millions or well above six figures, like 600,000 or 700,000. Me, I like to use anything 100,000 or more, up to 3 or maybe 400,000 search volume. Now, there's one final reason that may be why you're not making any money selling your PLR digital products, and I talk about it in this video popping up on your screen. So make sure you watch that next video, because when you compare what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.